Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Now, if you're new to this channel and if you're seeing this face for the very first time, then hi, I'm Samudrika. I make videos on makeup, skincare, haul videos, and I do vlogging sometimes. Now, this video, as the title suggests and thumbnail से भी आपको पता चल ही गया होगा, it is a makeup tutorial for the coming Durga Puja season. Now, I have already made one video on it. That is my previous video. I'll link it down below. Go check it out. So that is like a very basic nude yet glamorous makeup that is like a combination of both Indian and Western wear. That makeup you can carry with Western wear also, and then with Indian and ethnic wear also. But this one is totally for ethnic or Indian wear, those who are going to choose that. So yeah, if you're interested, then please keep on watching. So starting off with skincare, I'm using the Plum Beauty Facial Oil. Trust me guys, it is not at all heavy. It's very light, using 3 dots all over my face and then massaging it very generously on my skin. For moisturizer, I'm using the Derma Co Fruit AHA Skin Revitalizer. Now I got it as a PR, but then since then I am in love with it. It is so lightweight and it is especially for people with acne prone skin and those who are having pigmentation. Let it absorb, and then moving on to makeup, I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Sand. And I like to use a lot of concealer because I don't like using too much foundation, so just going overboard with it and then blending it with a beauty blender for a change. I have always been using brushes. Now for a change, I'm using a beauty blender, and beauty blender does a great job. Just make sure you make the blender a little damp and then blend it. It is very soothing because the blend is very quick, more quicker than a brush. Now for foundation, I'm using the Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. Like applying it in a dotted motion all over my face, and also don't forget the neck area. Blending it in a dabbing motion, and this foundation is so good and it is so affordable. It just gets mixed with your skin color if you're going for the perfect shade. It is not too matte and not too flowy. Just drag it in the neck area and blend it for the face area. That's it, and you are done. Now for concealing my under eyes, like the highlight portion, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Light. Also using it on my upper eyelid for creating a base for the eyeshadow, and also applying it on my nose, around the mouth, and also just on the areas where I want a little highlight. So blending it very generously guys, don't blend it like very quick or drag it. Just blend it in a dabbing motion, because blending is the key. If you blend it properly, your makeup would look very nice. Now for baking today, I'm using the Huda Beauty loose powder. You can also use like any loose powder. Fit Me one is also very great. Now baking under the eyes and around the mouth, and also on the areas where I wanted highlight and used concealer. That's it. And then for bronzing, I'm using the Wet n Wild bronzer. Just a very rough contour, nothing else. I'm not using any liquid or contour, as I don't want my makeup to look very cakey during puja. With my fingers, I did my nose contour as well, like a very rough contour. Now for eyebrows, I'm using the Nykaa brow definer in the shade Bewitched Chestnut. Now for brows, I like to line my brows first and then fill in the like the gaps, and then just see what difference it makes. Now moving on to eye makeup, I'm using the Makeup Revolution a Marvelous Mattes palette, and from that I'm using the orange shade because that is the most lightest shade in a warm tone. Now using the plum shade from the palette, oh my god, just look at the pigmentation. I just love Makeup Revolution palettes, like these are so affordable. Anyways, now moving on to the eye makeup, just keep on blending it roughly. You don't need to think anything about the shape and size or whatever it is. Moving on and using the previous brush with which I used the orange, and then blending any lines or harsh edges, just mixing both the colors, doing the same with the other eye as well. And just then moving on to a shimmery part, I'm using my Huda palette wherein I used a champagne shade. You can also use any gold shade from any palette, not necessary that you need to use the Huda palette. And then using the wine or plum shade again to just mix the shimmer shade with the plum shade, and then using a black shade on the outer corner of the eye, and then again using the same orange brush to just mix all the colors together. Doing this with the other eye as well. First black in the outer corner like in a V shape, and then roughly mixing it with the orange shade just to make it look even. Just look at it, the blend is so on point. Now for mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. You know how much I love it, but using a very little amount as I'm going to use falsies as well. Now just dusting off the baking part, and you just see how good it looks. It looks so even and flawless. And did my lashes off camera today. Just look how beautiful the eye makeup looks. Now for blush, I'm using a blush from Milani. Shade will be mentioned down below in the description box. Even all the links will be mentioned down below. And for highlighter, I am using the mini highlighter from Sugar. It is such a nice subtle color. It is very lightweight, and just going overboard and using it in my on my chin, on my upper lip area, nose, and then forehead, just making me look like dipped in highlighter. So for lipstick, I'm going to use a red shade from Maybelline Liquid Matte Lipsticks. I just love this red. It is such a gorgeous red. I would suggest you please get this because this is a bomb color. This one from Maybelline. So this is the final look, guys. I am so in love with this look. It looks so nice. It looks like you have done so much, but actually you did not even use too much product. It goes with red, black, gray, gold, with every color sari. I have tried to create such a look which goes with like most of the colors. So guys, this is the final look. I am so happy the way it turned out. Like, it's looking super glamorous, yet I did not do much or spend much time on my eyes. You saw that everything was rough blending, no cut crease, nothing, yet it's looking so smoky hot. And yeah, this eye look you can carry with any color sari or ethnic wear, like if you're wearing a salwar kameez, which is black in color, brown in color, wine, red, like almost like all the dark colors it will go with, and also light colors also. But if you want to color coordinate and match your eyeshadow with your outfit, which is not at all necessary, then you can try and go for, like, if you're wearing orange, then you can go for some orange smoky eye, like use orange, brown, black to make this kind of a smoky effect. And then like above all, at the end, you need to use some sort of shimmers in your on your eyelid, just to make your eyes look very glamorous. And also, I haven't used eyeliner today again, as my lashes are too dramatic. If you can use a liner if you are not using any eyelashes, and use a thick coat of mascara. You can use the one which I use, the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. It is superb. It will give you twice the volume which you have. So you just have to trust me on that and go get yourself that mascara. It is amazing. Like, on regular basis I don't wear lashes, like very rarely I do wear lashes. So I always use a thick coat of mascara, and I do not even like to use liners all the time. So the mascara is a must for me. Also, you do not need to use what all brands I used. You can use any brand which you have at your place. Just make sure that the concealer, the foundation, especially the foundation, matches your skin tone. Don't go for too light shades, and don't overdo your foundation. Instead, you can use more concealer instead of foundation. And also, if you don't have a red shade like this, get yourself this red shade. I mean, all of you should have a nude, like a perfect nude, one perfect red, and one perfect pink color. So for me, like in an affordable price, this is the perfect red. It is the dupe of a Smashbox Bossy. I even talked about it on my Nykaa sale haul, where I bought this one from Maybelline. It is very affordable comes around 400 to 500. And also there is a festive season haul, sale going on Nika. So go check that out because the sale gonna end very soon. If you want to get your hands onto any products, then you can go check my previous Nika haul videos where I only shopped my favorites. So yeah, that's it about this video, guys. If you like this video, hit on that like button, comment down below how you liked this look. It is very easy peasy, just you have to follow the steps. Thanks for watching. Bye.